Hey Snapchat friends, this is Dan with Global Giraffe. How you doing today? Doing alright? You doing okay? Let me know. I don't know how well that's showing up on your screen, but to me, that looks like it's really dark out and about to storm. As soon as I said that cloud looks like it's dark, not even 2 minutes later. Well, luckily I made it to Carambola, my favorite owl coffee shop. Owls everywhere. I'll show you. It also has these sweet hats. Hat lights. So I'm not sure how much exploring I'm gonna do today with this rain, but it is only like 8 a.m. So maybe this rain will go. There is supposedly a waterfall that's pretty close to here, so that could be kind of cool to check out while it's raining. All right, so after 2 hours, the rain stopped. I got some work done for my college classes. So yeah. Well, it started raining again, but no worries. I got my awesome raincoat. Made it. Let's go check it out. Well, it's not New Zealand waterfalls, but it's alright. It's pretty cool. Let's go check it out after these people leave. Found it. I think these crazy kids are going to be here for a while. They're currently getting naked and drinking beer and getting in to swim. So, being the pro that I am, I didn't bring a tripod, but I'm gonna see if I can make this work anyway. Well, wherever there's running water, there's mosquitoes. So I think I'm gonna get out of here because I've already got like 100 mosquito bites. But before I leave, there is this other set of stairs that leads up farther. The higher I go, the louder this noise gets. Looks like it just follows the waterfall up higher. Check out these swivel trees. This is the point you wonder if you should keep going or turn around. So I'm not sure exactly what's in Thailand forests, jungles, other than like, you know. A real concern is having a monkey or something crazy just jump out at you and bite you. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna go and turn around now. Doesn't seem to be too much more on this trail. Doesn't really go to anywhere that I know of. I got back just in the nick of time. I still gotta change clothes because I'm soaked,